checking in with Swaysta. Take one.
We launched Snapchat Plus as our first subscription offering in 2022, giving our community access to premium features on Snapchat. And today, we offer multiple tiers of our subscription product that give our community even more ways to customize their experience. We have 25 million subscribers now, and our direct revenue business is generating more than $1 billion in annualized revenue. The biggest lesson we've learned is that Snapchatters subscribe for features that they find personally valuable. Ways to express yourself, ways to have fun communicating with your friends, or features that bring utility to the experiences that you're already engaging with. On Snapchat Plus, that could be changing your chat wallpaper with your friends, the way that your app looks when you're sending a snap, or it could be using our story rewatch feature, which helps you understand how your friends and community are engaging with the stories that you post. We've gotten to learn a lot from our community, and they tell us what they love and what they want to see. And we lean into those insights as we build new products and experiences, and that's how we came up with and have brought to market Lens Plus, Platinum, and most recently our Creator Subscriptions product. As more platforms enter the subscription space, the winners are going to be the ones that deliver real value to their user base. That's of course balanced with making sure that the core product feels accessible. This is an insight that we're going to continue to lean into as we build new products and features for Snapchat Plus.